Before a director ever shouts action, the entire movie has already been made on paper. It's called a storyboard, and it's the secret blueprint behind almost everything you watch. Think of it as a comic strip version of a film, where every single shot is planned. It's how directors learn to speak the powerful, unspoken language of the camera. So, what is this language? It's all about a few key codes. First, shot sizes. The distance of the camera controls emotion. A long shot shows the whole scene, giving you context. But a close-up on an actor's face, that's for pure emotion. An extreme close-up, maybe just on a character's eyes, is all about creating intense tension. Next, there are camera angles, which are all about power. If you shoot a character from a low angle looking up at them, they instantly seem heroic. But if you film from a high angle, looking down, that same character suddenly appears weak and vulnerable. And that unsettling tilted camera angle you see in thrillers, that's a Dutch tilt, a deliberate choice to make you feel that something is deeply wrong. Movement adds energy. A pan is when the camera turns left or right, like shaking your head. A dolly shot is when the camera physically moves alongside the character, pulling you directly into their world. You don't even need to be an artist to make a storyboard. Stick figures work just fine. Each panel simply needs the drawing, arrows for movement, and a quick description of the action and sound. Learning these codes doesn't just make you a better creator, it makes you a smarter viewer. The next time you see a politician filmed from a low angle on the news, you'll know they're being framed as powerful. When an ad uses a close-up on a smiling face, you'll see they aren't just selling a product, they're selling happiness. You're no longer just watching. You're reading the grammar of the screen.